Next on Quint's Garage.
Shake vigorous.
Hold on, we got fire.
I'm going to show you today how you can rebuild your front and rear axles for $1.53. Fast drying, all purpose. So a rebuild has got to be somewhere in all purpose. There's got to be leeway. It says sand, rough or rusted surfaces. Not going to do it. Clean well with soap and water. Didn't happen. Shake vigorously, there's a big word with a V there, for 1 minute.
Everybody gonna be happy over there.
Alright, so just get under your truck here. And ouch. Oh, I just sliced my head open on the bumper. That's nice. Basically, you just want to get in here to your clean section and just rebuild on her. I mean, well, this has all just been rebuilt basically, so it's not for sale, but if it was, that's at least 20 grand right there. And then I'm going to run back up to the Home Depot and grab some silver paint. We're going to pull those plastic grills off, the fins. We're going to paint those up, and then I'm going to get the cheapest tape they sell, and we're going to tape over those, take that off, pull that off, get some red paint, tape over those. Rebuild the front bumper. Rebuild the back bumper. Only, you want to go ahead and leave this stuff. No, we're going to go ahead and clean the front and back bumpers, because undercarriage I don't necessarily care about. It's mainly just looking better like that does. And then you come up front and kind of do the yeah, that looks better. But that, people are going to see those.
He beheld the evil of a sinful man, declared that he would destroy the land. Spoke to Noah, Noah stopped and said, look ahead, Noah, build me an ark. Well, I want you to build it big and strong, build it 300 cubits long, 30 high and 50 wide. I want it to stand in my rain and tide. Rain, 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 children, rain all the time. You know, oh my Lord, rain. Well, after God told him what to do, brother Noah began to cut and hew. Well, the ring of the hammer was judgment, the ring of the saw quite center and bent. 100 years they hammered and sawed, building the ark by the grace of God. After the foundation was laid, he hewed the timber. The ark was made by calling animals 2 by 2, the ox, the camel, and the kangaroo. Then he called in Japheth, Shem, and Ham, and God began to flood the land. He raised up a hands to the heavens on the high, knocked the sun and moon from the sky, shook the mountains, stirred the sea. It's the winds through his chariot wheel when he stood on land, stepped ashore. He cried